Hello guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Discord bump slash partner bot. So, what we need in this video is Glitch, which is a website, and Discord developer portal, and 2 Discord servers. So, what you want to do first off is to go to Discord developer portal and make a new application. How you do that is you want to look up a Discord developer. That's not how you spell it. Developer. Well, you can just look up anything, but that's it. Then you want to press new application. If you have a team you want to use, but I don't really care about it. But I'm just gonna make it. I'm gonna name it YouTube tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna pick out a random photo, I guess. I don't really care what you want. So, shoot. We're just gonna have to go to desktop mode. Oops. What is this, bruh? Sorry. I need to glitch here. Oh, I don't really know. But now what you want to do is go to, you see this 3 lines on the top? You want to press that. Go to bot, and it says build a bot. You want to add bot. You want to say yes, do it. And then it's going to say a wild bot has appeared. It's not wild. But then what you want to do is go to Discord. You want to press this little, wait, someone DM'd me. You want to make it just a club or something. I don't know, anything you want. YouTube. Sorry, I don't know how to spell it, guys. I got confused. Shoot. Okay, never mind. We can't do this. Oh, never mind. We got it. See, let's just name it that for now. We can pick out a photo. I'm just gonna do the same one. I don't really know. So we're gonna have 2 of these. Then we're gonna make. Let's just do this. So now what we're gonna have to do is make 2 channels. Let's just name it partner. Partner and bump. So let me just edit this. I'm gonna copy the name, and I'm gonna make it on this one. So we got all that set up. Now what we want to do is go back to Safari, Google, anything. We're gonna go to here, authority, whatever, auth, whatever. I don't care. You want to go to click bot administrator bot permissions. And then you want to just type this in your Safari settings, anything. Then you want to add them to the both servers you made. So I'm gonna invite it to the YouTube server I made. Let's just do this. I hate these ones. Like I said, it doesn't listen to me sometimes. We're just gonna have to do this, and then we're gonna have to add the bot. We're gonna have to add the bot again to the other server, and then we're gonna then I want to show you the other thing. So let me add it to the other server, and then we're gonna have to grab the bot token. I'm gonna show you how to get the bot token, which is pretty easy. I bet you guys know some of it, since some of you guys that are gonna watch this is bot developers, but some of you guys probably are not. Maybe you guys are, but if you guys are, please comment down below your Discord servers for your bots. I might join and might advertise them or something, Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Sorry guys, this is taking so long. Oh my god, bro. Okay. This is easy. Okay, there we go. So we got that. Now we need to go. Now we're gonna check if the bots are in our server. So I think yes, they are. So they're both in our server. They're offline, you know, because your bot doesn't. You have to host the bot. But for glitch, it's free and easy. So what you want to do is actually wait. First, we're gonna go to glitch the thing and glitch, and the link for glitch is gonna be in the description to for you guys to do it. Or if you guys want the file for the bots, I will give it to you. So first, actually, let me download the file for you guys just in case. Um let me get so what? Oh we're gonna have to go to here Discord, not that one. This Discord. No, not this. That.com. Bruh, not PC. We're gonna have to just go to desktop. So this is. I'm just gonna do this one first. This easier to, but we have to get the glide ID. So I'm gonna have to do the support bot one. This support bump, since it's gonna be this one for an example. This is just gonna be the main server or something. You see where say your bot support glide ID. You're gonna have to get that somehow. Which is I'm gonna see you guys on a different video how to get it. So you're gonna type that in, and then you're gonna put your owner ID. How you get that is you want to go to Discord. You want to go to your settings, and then to appearance, and then developer mode. It will show that, and you're gonna have to press the button thing. So yeah, and then you want to go to here. Go to here, copy ID, and there we go. We got it. So what you want to do is type that ID in, and then as already we skipped one thing we need to do. The one thing we need to do, this is the one thing we need. So you guys know how it says that we're gonna have to go to here, copy that thing, and that we're gonna have to go put it in this. How you do that is we're gonna name it that. We have to. Your bot won't work. It won't. And then you want to go back to Discord developer portal, copy that token, and then you want to put it in here. Just give it a few seconds. The bot will be online, and like see it goes online. Now it's all online. Now what you want to do is say in it. So, wait, shoot. In it. Partner and bump. So now what you want to do is the script, not like that. Testing for videos. So you just do that. So now we have to do that. Now on the other server, we're gonna have to do the same thing. We're gonna have to say in it, and then YouTube or partner and bump. Shoot. And there we go, guys. We got it all finished up. Now what you want to do is say bump. Now it will bump to the server. It will translate. It was like it bumps to server and server. So what it does, if for an example, you guys know Discord, yeah, that I'm pretty sure. I think it's kind of like the same, but it's kind of different. But it's cool how it works. But there's other ones with web. That one is with a website, and it translates to the website to servers. No, just to the website. But there's a lot of bots with bump bots. Like this person actually has a nice bot. So go actually just join a server. Here's a link is in the description too. And yeah, subscribe and keep your notifications on. Like seriously, I'm not trying to get a lot of clout for this, but that's how the bot works. If you guys want more videos, comment down below what kind of videos I should do. Um, that's how it works. And then yeah, make sure to go click the link below for the this thing. I'll keep it in the description, and the file if you just want the file. Maybe you know how to like code actually and want to edit it if you want. And yeah, stay tuned and all the other stuff. Thank you guys for watching.